Receive or refund deposits is a dedicated area for receiving or refunding deposits, allowing deposits to be managed separately from other collections. So I've come into collections, receive or refund deposits, and now I'm making my selection. So I'm choosing Ella Abraham here. They've paid a deposit of $400. So I'm going to put this as I've received the money and I want to issue a deposit receipt for the ski trip. So I add in the details there. Then I come down to key details down here. I'm going to say the amount needs to be $400. So it needs to reflect the amount that's been received by the school. Once I've made those selections and I'm happy with them, I click Save. And so then the final thing to do is select my student. Here she is. Here is Ella. And now I want to post it to the ledger. And then all I need to do is click Post Deposits. So typically this function is used for example, admission deposits. However, Engage also supports handling multiple deposits such as ski trip deposits and so on if the school requires it. The other option you have in this screen is to issue a refund. So the same process. I come into Engage and now I'm finding my student, Jemima, and I want to issue a refund. So I select refund. I want to issue them $300 refund here for a deposit that they've paid, and then simply fill in the details. So I'm going to add in here deposit refund. And then down under the nominal code here, I'm going to, under deposits held, I'm going to put $300 and then I'm going to click Save. Again, I select my student. So they're getting a refund this time, and I'm going to select Post here, and that will then post it to the ledger. And then I fill in the key details and I click Post, and my job is done.